Here we're working on our bay window, and that's why these joists cantilever out over the edge of the building. Because of that, we stopped our rim joist and ran in 14.5-inch blocks to maintain these joists at 16 inches on center. This bay window comes out from the building line 24 inches. So we measure out 22.5 inches, make a mark here, and another one down at the last joist. Then we'll snap a chalk line and cut it and nail on our rim joist, and we'll have a full 24 inches. You're right, some of these boards are ugly, but the discoloration is only on the surface and it doesn't affect the strength of the wood. This is Douglas fir framing lumber, number 2 or better. It's strong, and as a framing lumber, it's hard to beat. You can see that I've let this rim run long. I'll cut it later. Now the front of the